Hey, so I just got a Crockpot Express Cook XL. So we will test it out today and see how good it works. Wonder if anybody has tried it, but we will be making chicken soup today. So let's see what we got first, though. So we got a owner's manual. Yeah, some recipe books. By the way, that looks so good. Look at that. Okay. And I guess that. Congratulations. All right. Now, what we got here? Okay. Electrical cords. Styrofoam. This is the 8 quarts, by the way. Oh, how big is this? Nice. Oh, I love that smell of new. Cool. All right. Anything else? Okay. Well, we will see how our chicken soup will come out. And I guess we'll be using some of these things out here. Neat.
I'm done seasoning everything. Can you give me bottles of water first? This is me trying out my whole little crock pot thing. New. I've never cooked in a crock pot.
All right. So this is us now testing out the crock pot.
Yes. It's the first crock pot. The first time we ever owned a crock pot. So yeah. Anyways.
Crock pot, pop, 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 pop.
Anyways, I've cut up some stuff.
What do we have here?
Tomato paste.
Tomato paste.
We're not gonna use the whole can. It's gonna be like a spoon. Onion, carrots, cilantro, culantro, chicken broth, minced garlic. This is chicken
like
flavor.
Cubito.
It's called bouillon. I don't know. It's like to make and then some seasoning, more seasoning, and these are Spanish seasonings, by the way, y'all. So if y'all don't know about them, y'all should start using them if y'all want some flavor. You don't really have to put much salt when you use these two. And then some cumin. Oh, and apple cider vinegar. I don't know, I just like using apple cider vinegar. Season this meat right now. I kind of don't like the, what do you call that? The skin on the chicken, so I took it off. And, sorry, it's...
Look at that chicken.
Put it back in.
All right, we'll see in a few how this will work.
Show them the seasoning. And then a little bit of this. This brand doesn't have any MSG, whereas in the regular Sazon Goya has MSG. So that's why I kind of switched it up and used the Badia brand versus the Goya brand. This you just need a little bit because I'm gonna use the chicken broth. So cumin is just a little bit. You're not gonna go crazy with that. Crazy with it.
It's sea salt.
This is a sprinkling. A little bit of sprinkles of salt. And then shake it.
Shake, shake, shake.
Alright.
Shake that chicken broth.
I was just gonna say that. Just a little bit. I don't go crazy with this either. So again, because you're putting like a lot of seasoning, well, because I'm putting a lot of seasoning, I don't put a lot of salt, and also I forgot what I was gonna say. Because I'm putting seasoning, I don't add a lot of chicken broth either, because we're gonna use water, and it's gonna the seasoning is gonna make the water be
too
good.
salty. Oh.
No, it's gonna make it good because I'm not putting a lot of chicken broth because it's the water's gonna have flavor with the seasonings that I put in here, plus the veggies I'm adding.
Cool, cool.
So here we go with the garlic. You can go however you want with as much garlic as you want. Garlic is good for you. I'll take a spoon. Okay. And just do a little bit. So 1 spoonful of tomato paste. This is one my mom always used to get, I think. It looks like. So this doesn't have to look all pretty, but I want to make sure everything is flavor. So I'm just putting that culantro everywhere. And the next, put potatoes. Just put some potatoes in. We don't have any, so no corn on the cob in this soup. This is just my own little thing. No recipe from anybody. Just my own. And let me get these carrots because I know this is like a big cutting board. But they're rolling, so that helps. Let me get it. Ooh, pretty colors. Yeah, I think 2 bottles will do.
So 3 bottles?
Yeah, 3. Because that way the potatoes covered.
Cool,
all the
cool.
potatoes are covered. Mixing the soup around just to make sure that the coloring from the paste and the seasoning got your soup color going. And then I'm just gonna cover it. Does this stay closed? Why is it not closing? Hold on.
To the one that's unlocked. To here. To the.
Having technical difficulties.
That's it. Let me try it.
There.
There you go.
Finally.
Good job.
I deserve a reward for this.
I will clap for you.
Alright. I'm probably gonna do it for I want to say 45 minutes. I'm gonna go with start. Shouldn't need more time, I'll add it later. I'm not sure.
Still pressured. You got. Ho ho ho.
Just FYI, do not, it says it right here, just make sure you follow your directions when you use your crock pot.
Especially this one.
What is that one?
It says never force the lid open.
This looks good.
So how did you like your crock pot?
I loved it.
Do you think it served this purpose?
Yes, it did. And I can't wait to try this and see how the outcome was in like total. I know it looks like it cooked well, but let's see how I did on the cooking, putting things together.
Alright, this is all good.
So yeah, just waiting on the rice now, and we'll see what happens after that.
Alright, bye guys. Hope you guys, if you ever get to find one of these, you buy it. It was good, and it's worth it. Want to say bye?
Totally be using this from now on.
Bye.